From the beginning, we never believed what our journey would bring.
But we knew one thing.
That goal was to build a plumbing company that stood for
affordable plumbing,
unmatched quality,
and tangible workmanship.
With this goal in mind, we created
Mr. Splash Plumbing.
Mr. Splash Plumbing.
Mr. Splash Plumbing.
A company built by the community.
For the community.
a company built up of
fathers, brothers, husbands, and
neighbours, sons, wives,
sisters, and the elderly.
a plumber that strives themselves on,
our honesty, dedication and customer focus.
A plumber that you rely on for emergencies day or night.
a plumber that only hand selects the best professionals in the game,
A plumber that its customers hold to of the highest standard.
Our reviews speak volumes about our craftsmanship.
A plumber that takes full responsibility
In ensuring our customers' homes
businesses and properties.
are held in paramount importance.
And the carefulest hands.
We only ask our customers to judge us on
our workmanship and not our word.
For one reason:
our workmanship speaks volumes.
That echoes across the plumbing industry.
Mr. Splash Plumbing
Is here because of you.
For you.